Hi everyone, it's Shayna with Dancing Daisy Designs, and I am sitting outside and I am so happy to feel the sun on my skin finally, and that's because summer is just around the corner. And today I have some really exciting summer news for you. Today is the IOD Summer Release. They have 15 brand new items and I have them all available for you right now. And in this video, I'm going to show you all of the new items up close and in detail. Welcome to the IOD 2025 Summer Release. IOD has 15 brand new items for you in this release. First, we're going to start out with the 4 brand new stamp sets. Each of these sets are 12 by 12 inches and they're single sheet sets. The first set is called Flora and Vine. This one has a wonderful English countryside feel to it. It's inspired by vintage books and the designs and the dainty, delicate details that you find on the binding or like inside the book, maybe on the cover when you open the book. Just gorgeous. There's a whole collection of borders here, along with some swags and clusters. We've got beautiful bows, vines, and floral borders. This one has so much potential. I feel like not only look at this beautiful design on this book cover, but think about maybe doing like picture frames, furniture, of course, maybe making your own stationery or handmade gift wrap. How special would that be? Next we have Folk Story. This is a block style stamp. So that means it's one large 12-inch by 12-inch stamp. The little pieces don't come off separately. This one is gorgeous. It tiles very well. So that means that you can make like a repeating pattern with it, like side by side, to do a larger surface. Or it would be perfect on smaller decor. I love the folk art feel to this one with the birds and the foliage and the florals. I feel like this, think about doing the inside of a cabinet, like the back panel. How beautiful would that be? I'm also feeling like wall art. I would even consider using this to make like your own like hand printed wallpaper on a wall. How beautiful would that be? Next, we have Mercy House Satinge, and I apologize, I'm probably not saying that right. This was inspired by beautiful African fabric designs, and IOD has partnered with Mercy House, so part of the proceeds for this item go to help impoverished women. The designs on this one, I find them so interesting. There's borders, medallions, and some foliage on here, and they're all kind of like have like a hand-drawn, rustic, like not perfect feel to them, which I love. This stamp just has a really great mix in here. All of the ethnic designs are great to add to like so many different projects, and I feel like they could enhance almost any style. The last stamp is called the Waltz. This stamp is obviously just a beautiful music sheet stamp. It has been highly requested for quite some time, and IOD has finally brought this one out for you guys. This one could be great for like backgrounds, as well as think about like tone on tone type of designs. It's going to create depth and character with that vintage kind of feel. And I could see this as a great tool for like any kind of mixed media project, decor projects, again, handmade gift wrap around the holidays. Think about like a metallic ink with this. So pretty. Next, we have 4 brand new rub-on transfer sets. The first one is called Home Sweet Home. This is an 8-inch by 12-inch 8-sheet transfer set. This one is definitely bringing in those vintage retro vibes for your kitchen. There are transfers here for like if you want to do your canisters, if you want to do wall art. They have some advertising type of labels in here. We've got like things that would be perfect for like your little coffee nook area. There's also like some signage stuff here if you want like a farmhouse kind of vibe. They're all leaning towards like a kitchen type of thing, but some of these are definitely can be used for other types as well. I think that this is a really fun mix, and there are so many possibilities that you can do with this to bring that retro vibe into your kitchen. This one is totally delivering that. Next, we have Sarah Featon's Botanicals. This is an 8 by 12 inch 8 sheet rub-on transfer set. And this one has such an interesting feel to it. Sarah Featon was a 19th century watercolor artist, and she's out of New Zealand, and so these flowers and botanicals have a little bit of a different feel to them, but look at that beautiful color and vibrancy of these. They are just gorgeous. This set really delivers with so many different individual pieces in here. You could do a lot of different projects with this. I could see, like, in addition to doing just like furniture and decor, you could do like journaling arts with this, like the cover of a book, wall art, so many different things. And look at these gorgeous examples. How beautiful does it look here? Next, we have Saint Germain. This is a 12 by 16 inch 8 sheet transfer set. This transfer is inspired by gouache paintings. And look at the vibrancy of these florals. It is just wonderful. The floral sprays and the butterflies, they all look like they're just jumping off the pages of this transfer. And they've put in like, just like the coloring gives like that a really neat like feel for like the shadowing, and it really brings it. Do you see it? It just brings it off the page. This is gorgeous, and I love the amazing vintage vibes that I'm getting from this transfer, and it has so many separate pieces, so you're going to get to a lot of projects with this transfer. Look at these gorgeous examples. Wow, I mean, these are all something that I would totally do and put in my house. Our last transfer is called Menagerie. This one is a 12 by 16 8 sheet transfer set, and it is beautiful. Look at these beautiful blooms, and we've got fruits. These branches are just so beautifully detailed. The birds, and of course the gorgeous bird cages. These are so neat. There's like a softness to this, these designs, but it's also beautifully vibrant, which I find really fun and interesting. I just like the amount of birds that they put in here is really nice, because I absolutely love using birds in my designs. And don't forget that IOD transfers can be stacked on top of each other. So you could put one transfer down and then do another one on top of it. That's what I feel like they had in mind for these bird cages. Here's a great example on this headboard here. And these other two examples are just gorgeous as well. I just love this last one on these jars. So pretty. Now we have one gilded transfer in this release. This one is a 12 by 16 8 sheet rub-on gilded foil transfer set. So this one, they went with a little different style, and they did an all over pattern design on these. So each page is like a big full pattern that you could use. This one is inspired by handwritten letters, newsprint, and like a vintage wallpaper motif. I feel like these are just so perfect for doing, like, if you want to do the drawers on a piece of furniture, or like if it has like little flat doors, this could really bring it to the next level and add just like a little touch of glam to your piece and like a lot of interest. This would be great for like the background on wall art with like one of the beautiful floral rub-on transfers over it. That would really just make that pop. Again, like the spine of a book, if you want to fancy up a vintage book that you want to put in your collection. And then these examples are amazing. I have done it on the jars, the color jars, and it does look that good. The gold foil transfers bring so much to your project, and they are so easy to use. If you haven't tried one yet, you definitely should pick one up. We have 4 new molds in this collection. The first one is called Chanticleer. This is a 5x7 deeper profile mold. Look at these gorgeous roosters. The detail on here is so good. Look at all of those chest feathers and the beautiful tail feathers. And then even the little perch that they're sitting on is so gorgeous. This one is 100% French country vibe. It's got the vintage feel to it. It's definitely 100% farmhouse. This Proud Rooster mold has 2 symmetrical roosters on it. These are perfect if you want to do a design where you've got them like chest to chest kind of, or even facing out from each other. This I think would be so pretty if you made your own kind of a pottery type of piece and you put the rooster on it. I think that would look gorgeous. Next, we have Leonidas. Leonidas is a 5x7 deeper set mold. This is a gorgeous detailed lion's head. He is a symbol of strength, courage, and nobility, used so much back in history on coat of arms, royal seals, medieval banners, and beautiful crests. And he is intense. Look at those eyes. He is real. I mean, just the expression on this is so perfect. I think that this is going to be great for like not only academia type of things, but more masculine type of projects. We see a lot of feminine projects, but not so many masculine. And so this is really going to take this into that next level. Furniture, decor, so many options. Next, we have Heraldry. Heraldry is a 6x10-inch mold. This mold is a collection of emblems steeped in medieval history. We have a heart, a crest, a crown, a cameo, and wings. These are all common symbols that were used in forming a family crest. The wings on this mold are symmetrical, and they have cleverly designed them so that the heart nestles perfectly in between the wings. In history, the wings represent protection, so that's why you see them so much, especially with a heart. This one has so many possibilities. All of these little items in here are the perfect size for so many different types of projects and crafts, and I mean, this one is off the charts. Last, we have Unicorns. Unicorns is a 6x10-inch mold. This one is a nod to Renaissance Italian architecture. The unicorn represents virtue, royalty, and spirituality in history. And this mold is amazingly detailed. The manes on these horses and the beautiful florals that come with them are gorgeous. And the unicorns are just slightly different. So if you were to use them kind of in a crest situation or face to face, you're going to get more visual interest with that. You could simply just remove the horns on these and then you just have horses. So this one is very versatile and very beautiful. I can see people using this for some great fantasy style crafts and art, as well as, like I said, taking off the horn and then you've got wonderful horses. This one's beautiful. We have 2 new paint inlays in this release, and don't forget that paint inlays are always a limited release item. The first one is called Ditzy Blooms, and this one is a 12x16-inch paint inlay with 8 sheets. These designs are inspired by English cottage block print florals. So the first 2 of these, the roses and then the bows with the roses in the middle, there are 2 sheets of each of those designs. And then we also have 4 other beautiful sheets. The last one being kind of like a border and some rose clusters, which I think is really like great to throw in there, because that would be great like if you did like the front of a dresser and then you put like the little roses like up at the top maybe. I mean, who doesn't love that look? And then in addition, the colors on these are beautiful and vibrant and just gorgeous. These examples are just beautiful. If you haven't tried a paint inlay, they are really amazing. It really looks like you've hand painted onto your item, and that's something that is priceless. Last, we have Floriography. This is a 12 by 16 paint inlay with 8 sheets. This one is a wonderful apothecary label collection from the 1800s. It has wonderful like blooms and florals, as well as the awesome advertising. There are so many smaller profile pieces in this, as well as some quarter page and half page designs. This one is going to be really versatile. You're going to get tons of projects out of this inlay, and they're all done in a soft black, and I feel like that really adds just like an elegance and like a simplicity to a project whenever it's just in a nice soft color like that. And then there's the intricacy and the amazing detail in some of these labels. I mean, gosh, I just like absolutely love the 1800s apothecary style for sure. I'm going to be using this one a lot. And look at these beautiful examples where they've done it on a flower pot. They did like an all over type of design on a dresser. And then on the fronts of these bottles, doesn't that look great? It looks like it was always there. I mean, paint inlays are wonderful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this brand new release. There were some definite gems in there for me for sure. And comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite, or which ones were your favorite. I would love to know. I have all of these items available for you right now at dancingdaisydesigns.com. I also have them local at Casa Home Decor, as well as Antique World Mall. So if you're local, make sure you pop in and check them all out in person. If you like this video and you like my content, make sure that you're following me. So subscribe to this channel, like, and share with your friends. I am working on some brand new content. I know it's been a little while, but life happens, and so I've got some new stuff coming out very soon for you, so make sure you don't miss that. If you're on social media, make sure that you're following me on Facebook and Instagram. I do all my updates there, sales, all that kind of fun stuff. So yeah, I hope that you love this release as much as I did, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.